Family and MWR programs and services provide a feeling of hometown USA to soldiers and families. The diverse variety of community recreation programs all directly support your resiliency and readiness. As we seek to sustain and improve these FMWR programs, we need to capture program demand. We do this by counting your participation via RecTrack, our recreation management software. The system increases our efficiency and productivity by providing us usage information. Each garrison will use this information to determine where to apply future resources and to set days and hours of operation. Please register in RecTrack at any facility. Then you will be recognized when you scan across the garrison. Simply ask one of our Army professionals for assistance before you scan the first time. We are counting on you to be counted.